Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send and receive money with Chase Quickpay. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. The first we're going to talk about is setting up Chase Quickpay. So what you want to do is to sign into your Chase online banking account, and then just navigate to the Pay and Transfer tab. You could just click on the Pay and Transfer tab, and then just select Quickpay with Zelle, and then just enroll in Quickpay by agreeing to the terms and conditions. And once you're done, you'll be able to use Chase Quickpay. Now, when it comes to sending money with Chase Quickpay, you can just choose the recipient from your contacts, or enter their email address or mobile phone number, and then just enter the amount that you want to send to them. And of course, you can add a memo if you want. This is just to tell them what the money is all about. And of course, just review and confirm the payments, and once that is done, the money will be sent. Now, when it comes to receiving money with Chase Quickpay, what you want to do is to provide your email address or phone number to the sender, and then you want to receive payment notification from Chase when you receive a payment. So you could also deposit the payments straight into your Chase account. So just 3 simple steps. Provide your email address or mobile phone number to the sender. You're going to receive a notification from Chase when you receive the payments, and then you can just deposit that payment straight to your Chase account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.